The ultimate MoonBrew Magnesium sleep reviews tutorial from zero to pro in 1 minute. If you struggle with restless nights, most people get this wrong by relying on random sleep aids without knowing their benefits. The surprising truth about MoonBrew Magnesium sleep is that it combines magnesium and natural calming ingredients to support relaxation and deeper sleep. First, understand the formulation. You won't believe how effective it is. Magnesium helps calm the nervous system, while additional ingredients like herbal extracts promote relaxation and reduce nighttime stress. This combination targets the root causes of poor sleep rather than just masking symptoms. Next, follow the recommended dosage. Most people get this wrong by taking too much or too little. MoonBrew suggests a precise amount to maximize benefits safely, usually taken 30-60 minutes before bedtime. Check user reviews. The surprising truth is that many users report falling asleep faster, staying asleep longer, and waking up more refreshed. Real feedback highlights the supplement's effectiveness in both short-term use and long-term sleep improvement. Finally, monitor your sleep progress. You won't believe how quickly your nights can improve when combined with good sleep habits. Track changes in sleep quality, duration, and overall restfulness to see measurable results. In conclusion, MoonBrew Magnesium Sleep can take you from zero to pro in managing insomnia and improving sleep quality. By understanding the formulation, taking the right dosage, checking user experiences, and tracking your progress, you can achieve restful, rejuvenating nights naturally. Smart supplementation is a safe, effective step toward better sleep.